Hi, this is me, Shahnaz Shah, and right now I have decided to make this video, and as you can see that I'm sitting in my bed because I'm not like others. I I'm not good at you can say organized system of working, and I totally rely on my mood. So I was in my mood that okay, I have made this thing. I have to show it to my viewers that as I had promised them that I will show you the techniques, the magical gadgets which will be very easy to make, which will be very economical, and you would love to try it. And that is why I came up with this idea that right now I have to make a video and tell you that how I have made this vase, because this vase is look like that I have painted it on the surface of this vase, but no, it is not like this, because for this purpose many people must know about this file covers. And on these file covers, if you notice, there will be a painting or drawing or any flowers, but they would be so much dim that it is very difficult to see in one glance. But a person like me, or people who are very fond of you can say creative art, they must notice it. So this is basically the file cover. This was my first attempt, but it is not good. So actually I was then trying it only. I was only trying that will it be successful or not. So that is why I then took another file cover, and that file cover I really like it because the flowers were in such a position that I knew that if I paint them properly, if I choose the colors properly, then it will definitely have a unique look. So this is basically the file cover which I told you, and I just wrapped that file cover around the surface of this box, and then I looked for the colors, and then I realized that if I use dark color background and light colors flowers, then the flowers will give an impression of embossed flowers. And as you can see that these flowers look like embossed one. And another important thing which I want to mention is that as I had promised you that my whatever I create, whatever idea I share with you, it will be mostly very economical and would be very easy to create. Now I told you that this file cover is very cheap. One can get it in 100 Pakistani rupees, and only need a little bit glue, and you can say this acrylic markers, because I told you that acrylic markers are the only one which give an impression of a real oil colors or watercolors. And as they only stay on the surface of this plastic, otherwise this oil colors and pastel colors do not stay on the surface of it. And now let's move to the second part. In the second part, I say that you must be looking that it is a you can say a tin, a cane, or a box, and what is it actually? If you go to a hardware shop and you ask them that have you got any box, they will definitely come up with any kind of box. So when I ask them that what kind of thing I need. So they told me that they have these 3 or 4 these canes or these boxes, and basically these are thinner boxes which were I mean they had been used, they were empty, and the shopkeeper handed over these to me, and I brought them, and as I couldn't figure out that what I can do with these, so I put them in my you can say I have a cupboard in which I put keep all my these stuffs which I use for my art activities. So I put them there, and suddenly when I was lying down and I realized, why not give it a try. I used this idea for this work, and I did it, and I don't know, maybe I have made it, but it looks okay. I mean, I will not say that it looks beautiful, but it looks okay. Because if you put flowers in it, they definitely going to look very beautiful. So that is why, and otherwise I have another 2 pieces, and I will share with you these other pieces as well. And you can put flowers stems here, and then it will look definitely a very beautiful vase. So I hope you have liked this idea about creating a decoration piece or a vase in a very economical, very easy way. And when you finish this project, you definitely feel good that okay, I haven't spent money on it, I haven't wasted my time on it, and still the result is so good. So I hope you got the idea. I will definitely going to share the other vases with you, which you must like it, or I will try to share them in another video. And meanwhile you just try to if you like the idea, try to create one for yourself, because it is very easy. It will cost you nothing, no time, and you will have a very good place to put your flowers in it, because you can even store it with water, and you can put fresh flowers in it. So I hope you like the idea. I hope you have you noted the idea. And meanwhile, I think that's all for today. And I will try my best to bring different kind of ideas, which with the help of which you can make your house corners which are empty and needed some decoration, so you can put your creation over there, and whoever comes to your house, they will definitely going to appreciate them. Okay, see you, bye.